What is up, guys? My name is Brandon Robles, and today I will show you how to pack FBM orders, aka fulfilled by merchant. After I made the Amazon seller app video on how to list things fulfilled by merchant, I had a couple of you guys ask me if I could make a video on how to actually ship them when they're sold. So this is for you guys that asked. Thank you so much for that suggestion. Right after I saw your guys' comments, I went ahead and repriced some books on there that I had listed for FBM, and thank you guys because you guys made me some money. So I sold 2 books immediately right off the bat, maybe within 15 minutes. 2 books, had low sales ranks, exactly what you want, $10 and $9. So let's get started. So after you pull them from the shelves, what you're going to want to do is have some envelopes that can fit them right. You need to be prepared for that. You never want to run out of these things. Always have enough envelopes because you don't want to have an order and not have anything to send them in. So we'll go ahead and start with this one, hidden in plain sight. You guys don't have to do this part. I personally wrap my books. I think it's good customer satisfaction on their end to almost unwrap a present. So you guys can just throw it in if you want. I personally do this. I kind of fold the ends a little bit, make it look somewhat like a gift. A little messy, doesn't have to be perfect, whatever. Right? One thing I highly suggest is if you guys want good feedback, I printed out a bunch of notes, basically a thank you for the order. I did it myself. Just a little note saying thank you. It's just that little extra thing that might actually trigger a good feedback. I'm actually going to link a document down below. Just a simple thank you note that you can just fill in with your store name, fill it out, start printing them out, sticking them onto your packages, onto your printing slips or whatever it is, and hopefully that'll trigger some good feedback for you guys, because feedback is always good, especially to trigger even more sales. So I stick that right on there. So after I have the book wrapped, I'm going to jump over to the computer where I'm going to show you guys where to see your orders and how to print out a packing slip and also plug in the information for your package. Okay, so this is how your screen should look when you're looking for your orders. This is when you click inventory, manage inventory. It's going to bring you to this screen with all your listings, active, inactive, so on. So you're going to go up to that top. You're going to click manage orders, right? You go to orders, manage orders, click. There's 2 options, over here. Either FBA or seller fulfilled. You're going to want seller fulfilled. And here it is right here. So here's the 2 books, right? So right here, you're going to see a couple options, buy, confirm shipment. I don't usually use this one. That's just me. What you're going to want to do is, hidden in plain sight. You're going to come over here, print packing slip. I don't want you to see the information. All right. But you see the total just there. It's going to come out to something like this, just a printing form. It's going to have the person's information. It's going to have the total of the order. Here it is, about to pop out of the printer right here. And we'll be right back for this. We're going to go to buy shipping next, have that ready to go, and we'll punch in the information once we measure and weigh it. Okay, got the packing slip printed out. You're just going to want to fold it. I don't waste time cutting it. Just go ahead and fold it. Just like that. Stick your book in the envelope. I used to use boxes, envelopes, so much easier, guys. So much cheaper and easier. Stick the packing slip inside the envelope. Go ahead and do this. Make sure that it's nicely sealed. You don't have to. I personally stick a little piece of tape over that just to guarantee that that thing will not be opening there, right? I know these envelopes are 11 by 9 by 1. Sometimes the size of the book can actually change the envelope a little bit, especially the height. So I have to go ahead and real quick. I know what it is, 11 by 9 by 1, just to confirm. You're going to want to use your scale. As I showed you in my other video, this scale is super helpful. Set it right on there. It says 1.3 roughly, right? You want to round up more than round down for that. So I know the envelope is 1 pound, 3 ounces, and I know it's 11 by 9 by 1. So, here we go. I'm going to record this. Okay, I'm back on the screen. So you're just going to show this. You're going to come down here, change parcel dimensions. For mine, it's going to be 11 by 9 by 1. Just plug in whatever you guys have for the measurements. Click apply. That's how you get that to go. Sometimes I forget to click apply and it doesn't work. Mine is 1 pound, 3 ounces. Then it's going to load here. You're going to want to select medium ale. Don't select the other ones, especially priority. You'll be paying a lot more. And there it is, right? Medium ale selected. Correct measurement and weight. Bottom right. Buy shipping. Another little tip, if you have an expensive item, I don't usually do it for all of them. This is basically insurance. You can plug it in. It'll only be a couple more cents or whatever to make sure that if it gets lost, it's good to go, but I don't usually do that for a lot of them unless it's expensive. So you're going to click buy shipping here. It's going to load. Don't want to really show you that, but it's going to come out with something like this. You go ahead and print it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now it's time to cut it out and tape it onto the package. Okay, so this is the final step. Just printed out my shipping label. I'm just going to cut it out, stick it right on the package. Right, so you just stick it on there. You take this tape. Make sure it fully covers it, because if it happens to get wet, you don't want that barcode to get ruined. You want it to get to the customer nice and safely without any complications. So make sure to cover the entire label. And there it is. That's a done envelope right there. It's already been put into the system that it has been shipped. Now all you need to do is get it down to the post office. They will scan the barcode and it will be registered in as it is on its way to the customer. I will do the second order real quick. I would say that took maybe 10, maybe 15 minutes to pack them. That's $15 to $20 right there just for 2 little books that I repriced immediately and sold from home rather than send it in. Make sure you have the correct supplies, envelopes, if you want the pages. Definitely check out that document that I'll link below for those thank you notes that really seems like a small thing, but really can go a long way to satisfy your customer. Hopefully this helped you guys. Simple FBM is the way to go for fast selling books with good profit. Thank you guys so much for those suggestions for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys ever have any questions or suggestions, make sure to comment down below. Or you guys can DM me at TheBrandonRobles on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description as always. It really helps me create the content that you guys would like to see, and that would help you guys further your journey into the Amazon selling business. Thanks for watching, stay hustling, and I'll see you guys in the next video.